That day I went to work as usual. And on coming back, I met her bleeding at the back of her head. I did not kill her.
Just admit that you used her for money rituals.
I will never kill for money. I didn't.
You know how many years we dated? Right at the point he was supposed to get married to me, you fool!
She wants me to get married to one old, dirty, scrubby man.
Go ahead and marry the man that killed your younger sister.
If any one of you here know anything that can stop this marriage, please indicate by raising up your hand.
No, I really can't do this. Please, I'm sorry.
Oh, for the sake of what we share, don't bring us shame, please.
You murderer!
Hey! And told me their son can never ever get married to me.
I told him to return that girl back to where he took it from. He didn't agree.
Go home and throw that girl away. I don't even care.
Do you know the disgrace I stand? My family, my friends.
You have the mind to cancel our wedding after sharing invitation cards everywhere.
Just tell me anything you want me to pay. I will pay.
You have to pay me 20 million naira.
My enemies are at it again, oh. But the God I serve will not let them succeed.
After all I have done for you, you stabbed me at my back, right?
Sonia, it's only fair. I enjoy a little bit of happiness.
Can you make this thing go? Just let it be bygones.
Was that a what? Was that a what we agreed on? Was that a what? You fucking agreed on?